Hello family, how are we? In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a really simple cancer preventing nutrition flooding juice, perfect for breaking a fast or for just flooding your body with nutrients on a juice feast day. Juicing is a fantastic way to get nutrients into your body. It's also a really good way of hydrating the cells in your system too. After all, we are over 70% water, so the most important thing in your body for promoting health is water. Basically, this juice is water that has just been cultured in fruits and vegetables. This is a great way to get this nutrition into your cells and to start feeling healthier quicker. Juicing fruits and vegetables that have got a high colour pigment will definitely increase the amount of nutrients that you're getting in your juices. This juice specifically catered towards cancer prevention and hydration contains carrots for the beta carotene, which is known to fight the kind of free radicals that the body can produce if you're giving it the wrong kind of foods, and it suppresses the cancer causing genetic abnormalities. There's plenty of science to back this up. Why it isn't more mainstream, your guess is as good as mine. Anyway, it's time for me to wrap this one up. I love you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Oh my, one has just had a VGASM.